Good morning guys, and this is our channel. Welcome to Motor Enigma. And behind me is the Audi Q3 Premium Plus. Now let's review it. So behind me is the Audi Q3 Premium Plus package. So this is a diesel variant. So it comes with a 2-liter inline-4 diesel, which produces 184 horsepower and 360 Newton meters of torque. So let's see the engine itself. So now, as you have seen the engine, let's have a walk around. So as you can see, this is a beautiful DRL. This is only in 2016 model since they did this. Before these models, there were different DRLs in this car. 17-inch alloys, which they give it in the standard Audi Q3. And coming towards the back, this car has a 64-liter fuel tank. This variant is particularly a diesel one. Coming towards the back, so coming at the back, you can see these are halogen tail lights, and the daytime running lights are also in there mounted. And as you can see, this is an Audi logo, obviously what you expect with an Audi, no less. Then coming over down here, these are chrome exhaust. A little bit of dirt over there, but these are chrome polished exhaust. So coming towards the interior, as you can see, this is beautiful plush leather, and if you can't see, these are automatic seats. So I can go back, I can go front, these can go back and front, and these are bolstering of the seats. Okay, so coming towards the steering wheel, we have a beautiful Audi logo over here. And coming towards the features, it has a lot of features. These are 2 analog gauges over here in the instrument cluster, and 1 digital in the middle to show you the kilometers and the warning labels, everything. And here you have a star label on the steering wheel. So you might guess what it is. Well, it is an Audi feature that only Audi presents, that you can program the button into anything you want. Like for example, some radio station you want, you can program it to that. And again, coming to the steering wheel, it has volume controls over here, as you can see. And these are settings over there. As you can see, I can go 7.3 kilometers. It is giving me that range. It has only been driven for 15 minutes. 120 kilometer of range it has. Today's date. A lot of information in short. And you can see, coming over here, it has drive select. So it has 4 modes. Dynamic mode, as you can see over here, it is in dynamic mode, which is more like sport. And you can change it to comfort, auto, and dynamic. It has 3 modes, so I'll leave it in comfort for now. And as you can see, beautiful thing, it has a hill control, it has traction control if you want to turn it off in case, and hill control of course. So what that actually does is control your speed as you come down a hill. Coming towards the center infotainment screen, as you can see, you can't see it over here, right? Well, you might guess where it is. Well, you press it over here and the infotainment screen pops up. And as you can see, this has a lot of features. Only Audi gives that. Coming towards the functions, it has a cruise control, it has parking assist, it has high beam, low beam, it has turn indicators, it has automatic rain sensing wipers in the front and in the back. And coming towards over here, it has a dual zone climate control. So it controls over here and over back. We'll go there in a minute. And coming towards over here, it has a beautiful comfortable handrest over here. Looking into this, a beautiful Audi storage system. You can store your wallet over there. And coming towards over here, it has a S-tronic transmission to transfer all the power, all the 184 horsepower from the engine to our 4 wheels. By the way, it's a 4-wheel drive car, so you can take it almost anywhere. So sitting into the car, if you need a beautiful view, right over here you have a beautiful view. It has a panoramic sunroof, and looking towards the back, we'll go there in a second. You have 2 cup holders over here and a 12-volt output over here. So let's move at the back. So now I'm at the back and I'm really comfortable over here. As you can see, this seat is where I would normally sit. I'm 5'9", a normal human being, normal size, and I have enough leg room and enough headroom over here. And coming over here, they have two lights over here, so you can read your book or anything. And this car has seating for 5 people. So there's 3 headrests over here. And in case if you don't want 5 people, you can anytime fold these seats, fold this seat over here to make it a handrest. And you have a 12-volt charging output over here. And of course the dual zone climate control, as I said. And of course you have a little net to keep your things, your magazines or whatever. So coming towards the boot of the Audi, it has 460 liters of space, so you can store 2 handbags, 2 suitcases, and if you need more space, you can anytime fold the front seats over there and it becomes a whole lot more. So coming over here, so anytime if you don't want to show your luggage to anyone, you can anytime hide it over here like this. And coming towards over here, you always have a spare tire over here and a little storage space over here, as you can see. This boot also has a light over here, so you know what you're storing, and it has little hooks, so you can hook something important, as you can see right there. The car that I showed you was a pre-owned car, pre-owned Audi Q3. And if you like to know more about pre-owned cars, pre-owned luxury cars or premium cars, don't forget to come over here or check out their website. They have a website over there. And if you for further more details, we'll provide you with the phone number. It must be over here. Go.